and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Anusha Siddiqui and I make makeup tutorials, skincare and other related videos. So if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So today's video is about Dr. Rashel's skincare products. I'm going to review Dr. Rashel Vitamin C series. I've used their products since a month, and then I thought that I'm able to review these products because when it comes to skincare, we can't go with a first impression sort of video or just by using them once or twice, because skincare is a sensitive matter and we can only recommend any product to someone else after using it for a while and testing that it is not harmful or giving any side effects or how it is working for our skin. Okay, so the first disclaimer which I wanted to give is every skin is different. It is not necessary that the thing which works for me will work for you as the same. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, so Dr. Rashel Skincare series of vitamin C have 4 products. So the first product is Dr. Rashel Vitamin C Cleansing. This is their facial cleanser. It says that it brightens and it contains hyaluronic acid. Okay, so this is a foaming face wash, and then they have their vitamin C brightening serum, and you can see how much I have used these products. And then it comes to vitamin C eye serum, and I've used this much of this as well. And the last product is vitamin C face cream brightening and anti-aging. Okay, so all of these products have vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, and both of these things are very good for your skin. And when you use vitamin C with hyaluronic acid, it is good for pigmentation, dark spots, and it also brightens up your skin. So one thing which I wanted to tell you guys is don't use vitamin C products with niacinamide, because it is not a good combination. When you are using any product with niacinamide, it can sort of react to your skin or maybe make your skin dry or something. And I will recommend you to use this vitamin C series in the nighttime routine, and you can use their whitening series in the morning. I have that whitening series and I'm using that in the morning and this one in the night, and I will review that one as well. So without wasting more time, just start using the first product. I will give you the review and the demo as well. So the first product which I'm going to use is cleanser. Okay, so this is a foaming cleanser, so you need to use a little bit water to make the foam. I've used a lot, you can see. I'm taking it in this much amount. So you have to cleanse your face in circular motion, very lightly and gently, and just adding some water because it is a foaming cleanser and it needs water in it. You have to be gentle, and if you have acne prone skin, don't overly cleanse your face. Well, vitamin C products are good for acne prone skin as well, but you don't need to massage it more. You just need to do it for 5 minutes maximum. You have to mainly focus on this area, the T-zone area, because it gathers more dirt and have the whiteheads and blackhead issue as well. Your mostly dead skin is here. And when it comes to the eye area, just go once or twice on your eye area as well. Don't rub it that much as you are doing with your face, but at least go once or twice and go in the lifting position like this. Very gently on the eye area and go in the lifting position. Okay, so I'm done with cleansing. Now I'll wipe it off and show you guys the result, the instant result. Okay, so I have cleaned my face. Now it comes to the review. The thing which I feel is it makes my skin more dry because I am already a dry skin person, but it makes my skin more drier. And if you are an oily skin person, this will be really good cleanser for you. My skin is already dry, so it soaks the oil which I have, so I feel a little dry and my skin feel a little stretched. but as a cleanser it is a very nice product still. It doesn't give you any harm. It just not suit my skin because I am a dry skin person. So you can see it have not given any redness or something on my face. So now moving towards another product, which is their vitamin C face serum. Okay, so you have to gently apply it all over your face. Okay, so you don't have to rub the serum on your skin, just spread it. Okay, so I've applied the serum. Now it will take 5 minutes to set in your skin so that your skin will absorb the product completely. So now it comes to the review. So this serum is really very nice. When I apply this serum, my skin is completely moisturized and feeling again fresh. So it is a very nice moisturizer, and it is a little bit sticky. If you are using it and you feel that it is sticky, so it is not expired or something. It is the texture of the serum, so it is a little bit sticky and it moisturizes your face very nicely. I didn't face any side effects of this product, and it worked for my pigmentation. I had a lot of pigmentation on this forehead area and I didn't have any other pigmentation, so the area which was pigmented is much more better now, and I don't have any pimples right now, but the pimples marks which I have are actually very lightened by using this serum. Okay, so now it is set into my skin. And the second product which I am going to use is, this is in the same packaging, just the size is different. It comes in 50 ml bottle, this face serum, and this eye serum has 30 ml. Now applying the eye serum is a little bit tricky. You have to be more gentle with it. Just take 2 drops of it, 2 or 3 drops on your hand. You can apply with this dropper as well, but it is not safe when it comes to your eyes. So what you have to do is use your ring finger and dip into this and just apply it on the eye area, then gently massage it. You have to be very gentle and always use your ring finger when you are applying any eye product, because the ring finger has the most less pressure. This is the most sensitive area of your face, so you have to be very careful and gentle by applying any product. Well, applying eye serum is very important because when it comes to aging, your wrinkles mostly start appearing from this area, so you need to take care of your under eye area mostly. Okay, so I've applied the eye serum. The eye serum is very good. It doesn't give any side effect as well, and it moisturizes the skin but not make it oily. If you have oily under eyes, you can use this one because it doesn't make your eyelids or under eye area oily, and it helps in reducing dark circles as it claims. And I don't have more dark circles, so I don't know if it works for that or not, but yes, it works very nicely for me. So now moving towards the next product, which is vitamin C brightening and anti-aging face cream. So I use this as a night cream because it is really moisturizing, and yes, you can see how much I have used this. Firstly, you have to do cleansing to clean your face, that no excess dirt or makeup will be on your face. After that, you have to apply the serum. Serum will moisturize your face and sink into your skin. Then after that, you have to go with the cream. It will moisturize your face very nicely. You have to gently massage it, not massage like that, but just let it absorb in your face. Okay, so I have applied the cream as well, and now it comes to the final review. So the cream is really very moisturizing. I love this cream very much, and it has a very soothing and calming effect. So the fragrance is very good. because it is a vitamin C product. It smells like orangey or fruity. So the final review of whole kit is, it is a really nice kit for those who are confused in their skincare and want an affordable thing for daily routine. So this is also affordable and easy to use. You don't need to understand things more and you don't need to experiment more with products. You can just get a complete package in a kit. So yeah, the whole vitamin C series of Dr. Rashel is really very nice and worth buying. So this was all about this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.